What's up? Today we're gonna show you how to make fishing weights with melting lead and molds. So the first thing you're gonna want to do, start yourself a little fire like so.
Safety first. You want to make sure you had some gloves, leather gloves, whether you touch the pen or the mold. You have to have that. Do not do it with no gloves. It's dangerous. You burn yourself.
To reiterate what Quetzicoro said, you want to be safe. Some leather gloves to touch the hot boiling pan. Make sure your fire is not excessive, and make sure you have a fire extinguisher accessible just in case. But we're going to be dealing with some hot lead. You don't want to burn yourself. Trust me. So once you got your fire warmed up, you're going to need some lead. Now, we said before, safety first. So don't touch this lead with your plain hands. You don't want that stuff on your hands. But what you want to do is cut up little pieces, put them in your melting pot, and let them melt.
Carefully, you can clean the dirt out. Go like that real carefully. You can get the stuff that you don't need, and you ended up with the lead.
The lead doesn't stick, the dirt doesn't stick to the lead, right?
No, it doesn't. You will see when we pour it, and then it's gonna come out like brand new lead as we go. You're about ready to pour in there. So okay, that's how you melt the lead. And when you throw them in there, don't just put your hands in there. Just hold it with something and just throw it so that way it doesn't get burned. Trim this pieces, trim it a little bit, hold it, trim this big piece out, done. There it is, there you go, that's the finished product.
Nice.
All this will be back to the heat. Maybe this one, let me see if this one turned out. I think it did, I just gotta trim it. Damn, trim it here. Trim this in here, this in here. That's it.